Hey guys, so in this video, I don't know if you could see me, but I'm going to be demonstrating how an electric Harmonix Big Muff sounds through an orange 35 RT amplifier. So this is the clean tone here. And that, of course, was the Big Muff on. I'm going to try a slower riff now, so I can get more sustain out of it. What it sounds like with more sustained, slower riff. And I'm just going to be playing a few chord progressions with the Big Muff on. I'd say that'll wrap it up for the video. Thanks for watching.